close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So, I thought I came away clean, you know, nothing on the hoodie, the hands aren't too bad. I did show you the belt and the rip in the boxers, but what I just discovered was a little bit of road rash, some blood right there, but thankfully nothing too bad. I'm gonna figure this thing out. Also, somehow my hoodie is perfectly fine, but I have that there. I don't understand how this works. No, but seriously though, I don't understand. Hey, hoodie, perfectly fine, just looked at it. Arm, not perfectly fine. And then hole right there, with the rub mark there, and road rash right there. Could be worse. I was able to ride the board home. I can walk. I'm not like bleeding profusely. Throwing away these boxers now, obviously, because they have blood on them and a giant hole. I don't know what I did wrong. I mean, like, I know a little bit what I did wrong, but like, I don't feel like I was going 15 miles an hour. Board was wobbling when I was going slower. Came back to the driveway, tried that for a little bit. It was even wobbling in the driveway, so I guess that should have been a sign. I should have hopped off, did some research, figured out what was going wrong. So yeah, I'm gonna lick my wounds, so to speak. Also, I do want to note that, so I was wearing, I don't know if you saw, but I was wearing my AirPods, and I fell so hard that it actually knocked one of them out, and I didn't realize until I got back in the house. So then I had to run back. Luckily this happened like up on my street. So like I ran out of the house to go find it, still sitting in the middle of the road from where I fell. But I fell so hard it dislodged my AirPod. Thankfully no one ran over my AirPod, because now it made me sad, because to spend another $175 on those is not something I ever want to do. Hoping it's one and done with those. The GoPro camera itself is holding up. There's some scratches around the lens. The lens itself doesn't appear to be scratched, and I think you can actually replace the housing on the Hero 7, so if I get annoyed by it too much, I think I'll look into a replacement lens cap for this. Yeah, showering tonight is gonna suck with all this fresh skin, but yeah, stay tuned for attempt number 3. I'm gonna do some research and figure out why that just happened and how to avoid it in the future, so you don't have to suffer like I am. Bye.